How many options do you give your typical client, or is there a finite number of options in your contract that you provide your client?
Yeah, so in our contract, our basic template contract, we provide three options in schematic phase, and then if a client wants more than three options, we'll build those in on an hourly basis.
Gotcha.
So design development, after we kind of progress through schematic design development phase, is just kind of a further refining of the schematic documents. We'll start to produce plans, computer plans, elevations, sections, and begin to kind of put together the permit set of drawings. We'll begin engaging all of our consultants for the project, our engineers, so structural engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer. If we're having a lighting designer come on board, we'll get a lighting designer. We have an in-house, our interiors department works with us on most of our projects, so that's when they'll come on board and start developing the interiors of the house. After design development is wrapped up, then we'll move into the construction documents phase, which is really kind of the technical and nitty-gritty documenting of the house, dealing with constructability, dealing with all the calculations that the engineers have to do on their structure and the mechanical systems of the house, lighting, so it's very, very technical. And the documents that are produced in the construction documents phase, those are the ones that will be submitted to the city for a plan check. After the construction documents phase of a project, we'll pull the permit at the city, and then we'll typically move into bidding and negotiation. And what that is we'll assemble multiple different contractors to bid out a project. And in the area that we work in, there are only, there's a handful of contractors that have the kind of expertise and ability to execute the homes that we design properly, in our opinion. And we like to kind of work with that little handful of contractors because we know that they'll do a good job on the project. Once a contract is awarded to a general contractor, then we move into contract administration. That's where the house is actually being built, and we're taking regular site visits to look at the property and just kind of observe construction, make sure that the documents are being executed properly.